What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Hustle and Grind. Today I am out GrubHubbing because GrubHub is running a promotion this weekend. I can get an extra $3 per offer. Now there's a couple stipulations on getting there. I have to complete 10 batches first, and I need to maintain a 90% acceptance rate of every offer they give me. After I get that done, that's when I start to earn an extra $3 per order. Now last night I got my first 5 done, and right now I'm about to pick up order number 6. So I only need 4 more after this before I start earning the bonus. And I'm determined to see how much money I can make on GrubHub today. Let's do this. Hi, I'm picking up a GrubHub order for Lindsay. Hi, GrubHub order for Lindsay. I got to the McDonald's that I thought I was supposed to go to, and I went to the order menu and I said, hi, I have a GrubHub pickup for Lindsay, and they said, okay, go ahead and pull around. And I waited in line for 8 minutes only to pull up to the window for them to tell me that they didn't have the order. Apparently there's another McDonald's 3 minutes down the road. So I'm at this new McDonald's now, and I'm gonna go pick up the order. Order number 7. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Order number 8. Thank you so much. All right, have a good day. You too. Yep. Order number 9. All right, so I've got 9 orders done. I cannot believe how slow today is. I've only gotten a few GrubHub orders. I'm having major problems with the Instacart app, and I'm not getting any good offers at all. So I am not even cracking 100, and it's 1:30. Super disappointing, super discouraging, but I'm gonna keep my GrubHub app on, and it looks like it might rain. So I'm hoping that's gonna help GrubHub do a lot better. Hopefully I'll hit that 10th order very soon, and then I'll start getting the $3 bonus per order. All right, folks, I just hit order number 10. Woohoo! After this, I'm gonna start getting a $3 bonus on every offer that I accept. Seriously cannot wait to see how much this impacts my earnings. Let's find out. Dude, that last order leaked in my bag. So gross. Good thing my mom hooked me up with some Lysol. Hi, I'm picking up a GrubHub order for Jody.
Yeah, go ahead and pull around.
Thanks. Back to cleaning my bag. If you order something that's mostly liquid, but it's supposed to be food, no. Hello?
For you.
I'm picking up a GrubHub order for Sarah.
Hey, can I pull up to the second window, please? Thank you.
Thank you. What the heck? That took so long. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, you too. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to get to the customer's house. Look. Oh my gosh. It's been raining here all afternoon, but I didn't realize how bad the flooding was over here. So now I have to find a new way to the customer's house. So I figured out a different way to the customer's house. So I'm here, gonna drop this off. Killing the game. What's up, guys? All right, so I'm back home now, and I wanted to go over my earnings with you today. Let me start by saying that today was an extremely slow day. I only had 10 GrubHub orders the entire day. So in between orders, I got some stuff done at home. I also picked up 3 Instacart orders at different times throughout the day just to keep moving. So I did earn $38.91 from Instacart today, but my main focus was getting that GrubHub promotion completed so that way I could start earning an extra $3 bonus per order. So I got my 10th GrubHub order completed at 4:04 p.m. today. And after that, every order that I accepted, I got a $3 bonus added on to the total that was already offered to me. This made the dinner rush amazing. I took my first dinner rush order at 5:58 p.m. and I delivered my last order of the day at 7:09. So in that 1 hour and 11 minutes, I completed 4 offers valued at a total of $29.49. But that's before the bonuses. This weekend's promotions mean I get an extra $3 per order. Since I completed 4 orders, that's an extra $12. So for the dinner rush, in just 1 hour and 11 minutes, I made $41.49. Although the day was super slow, I made a lot of money in a very short amount of time during dinner because of that bonus. Kind of makes me want to go out tomorrow. I don't normally work on Sundays, so we'll see what happens, but the promotion goes on until tomorrow night. For now, I'm gonna call it quits. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there in the little bottom corner. Give that a click and be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be posting a lot of videos about making money and managing money. And if you have any questions about GrubHub, or if you want to tell me about your experience with this weekend's promotion, I'd love to hear how it went for you. So give us a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button while you're down there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.